This is Tech20 coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be covering how to add a zero before a number. Sometimes you may have an account number that starts out with a zero, and Excel does not let you do that. So we're going to walk through how to do that with no code, no formatting, not formatting, nor formulas or anything like that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. What we're going to do is I'm just going to show you, like, if you have an account number, it's going to drop that trailing zero, right? So we've lost the zero on there. So I'm just going to go and clear that content. What you're going to do is put an apostrophe first, write in the account number, and it's going to go ahead and do that. Now normally what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and do that there, and then go ahead and hit apostrophe. I got to put a zero at the beginning. It aligns it to the left normally, like you see in B1 there. So what you can do is come over here to your alignment, align right if you want it to show normal, and there you have it. All right, that was a quick one. If you found this content helpful, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.